Yeah, so today this is just the E-loop here. This is our wee E-Trans 50 that comes with it. And we're just going to show you the pairing process really. It's pretty simple. It's just a case of getting your E-loop, taking it beside your transceiver, making sure your transceiver is powered up firstly. So you've got your 12, 24 volt input here, and then you've got your normally open and common in here, and that's coming right back to my board. And you can see it's just coming in here to my open terminals, or my open input typically, and that's all we need. Our next step here then is to take our wee E-loop and bring it in beside the E-Trans 50, and then it's just simply a matter of pressing this wee code button, and you see the yellow lights will flash there, and the 3 blue lights will flash in the code to indicate that that's been paired up successfully. Then it's just a case then of taking your E-loop and bringing it away and placing it in location. So our next step then is to take the loop and place it in location, and then after about 3 minutes approximately, you'll see the wee red light on the loop blink, and that'll indicate that it's calibrating. So that's an automatic calibration, which will just take into account any magnetic surroundings and make a magnetic field. Yep, so now that we've got the loop paired up and calibrated and in place, then we can just test by running our wee magnet or any magnetic presence over the loop. You'll then see the red RX light and the transceiver light up, and then the gate there starts to move. That's it. That's really it.